Easy for Mo. That was my ace, baby. That was my ace, baby. Ace Marca ass, bro. Your community profile.
We're playing against two managers, dude. What the fuck? I mean, two coaches. Two coaches. Oh man, they're gonna be calling strats up the ass on train.
No, the combined age is definitely over 100. It's probably over 200. If you think about it. There's only
Steam IDs.
3 of us is at 100 already.
The Steam IDs, they don't have that short ones, small ones.
I got a small one. It's only 5 inches. Is that big enough for you?
Alright, where we're going, guys?
Wherever your fucking heart is.
I was doing a knife round. I thought it was a knife round. God damn it. Thanks for calling it. One more sight. C dead. John, keep putting your foot on a roll, bro. He's here, John. Ready? Launch me.
Come one's ladder. He's going T-con. Is that real? Blue, go T-con. Blue, go T-con.
I got it.
Is he ladder, you said?
Oh, he's above white wall.
Yeah, he's in halls. He's in halls right now.
Or he does it. I'm doing nice job.
And ladder, one health and ladder. Or 75 actually. He's only got 9.
He's ladder, you said?
Yeah, he is ladder.
Find us right.
Nice plan, bro. Oh! I fucking knew. I had a feeling.
Not bad, Mo. I can flash left, flash him back.
Pretty close ladder.
One's back 6.
He's dinked. Nice.
I missed that. What the fuck?
He's picking up.
One more
Back bomb.
Still back. I think so.
Yeah.
I think he's still there. Yep.
He's on it.
Okay, Jose. I'm doing
All
it.
3B rifles.
I'm going ladder.
Tell me when to flash for you guys. Flashing once, flashing quad.
They're just smoked out. God damn it.
Down ladder, down ladder.
Did the guy down ladder.
He's dead. Z hurt.
Z.
1 health.
He's out.
Right in
Nick
front of
has
you.
1
Right in front
HP.
Where's he at?
1 HP Nick there.
Behind me, I think?
Where?
Is he?
I don't
Where?
know, I think ladder, I don't know.
You're just assuming? Hold on. You have bomb, whoever the dude is.
I have no idea.
I'm mollying.
Coming back
I'm
inside.
mollying Z.
Whoa, I'm in Z.
Oh, well, cool. Then it would have tricked him. It would have tricked him.
One Z-bog.
In ladder. E-box or ladder?
One Z box.
Look at camera.
Are we going out?
He's
Where?
hell, left side.
Got him. Fuck. He was already.
Ladder, in ladder, boys.
Hold on. I flash. Watch out.
Yeah, shot from left side. No. Here, all up. Yeah.
Got him. I'm blind.
One more.
Is it-
Nice.
He's probably flanking inner to ladder because bomb's down ladder.
Yeah, he was inner guy.
Bomb's in ladder room, right?
Ocean has a flash for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a molly. Do you want me to molly?
You should molly it, yeah.
I'm mollying just normal.
No.
Because if he's on the left, he could be on the left. He's there.
I have a flash. Get that rifle, Mo. Get that rifle. There's a rifle to your left. I'm gonna flash this in.
Hold on, chill.
King gonna flash. Get ready, okay?
Yeah.
Shoot a little bit. Shoot a little bit. There's a here.
Another flash.
Oh, fog flash.
That was a perfect flash.
I'll take
The
it.
perfect flash.
Smoke me out ladder.
Ivy, in Ivy.
It's Ivy.
In Ivy.
What's sandwich?
I hit Ivy. No,
Sandwich dead.
Waiting for ladder push.
Where's he at?
Is one Ivy still? Nice.
I'm just dead.
He could be flanking. Oh, he's middle, on me. Fuck! Ow! He has the op. He has my op. Yeah, okay.
Oh,
I'm so confused as to where he was.
Come on, blind.
Z smoked if you rush out. You shouldn't be able to get off.
Lower
He
ramp.
has a fucking.
He's an AK now.
No, he doesn't. I only have pistol.
Are we going in
They're
there?
stacked. I don't know. You guys are supposed to run out, but
That one back bomb.
Another one
That
inside.
wasn't him. That wasn't.
One more.
Destroyed's back up.
He's gonna be across. One more. Close. Help! Who's what up? Where's upper? He's upper. Pistol, Osh. I'm confused. I can't believe no one came upper with me right there. When the whole strat was we're supposed to walk out upper. Who's middle right now? Anyone middle? Teton?
I want to block you.
I'm shooting at nothing, by the way. Where?
On Ivy.
Ivy with an op.
in ladder.
I'm blind as fuck.
If you're gonna come in or just off the way.
He's in ladder.
Out ladder.
He's out.
What? You hit that?
One near red train.
No. Dude, they're just
Please
so
go in
bad.
there. We don't need.
No, it's alright. Jose's playing up to his X-Men challenge ways. We gotta fucking
Who's playing what?
dig deep.
I'll play wherever.
Someone play inner. I need an inner player that's gonna be able to
I'll play it, Jose.
I'll play Z, I guess. You can play bad green. Okay, I'll play bad green. You play Z.
Inner, two inner, like I hear him in
Rotate.
brown holes. I hear him in brown holes.
Watching.
I don't.
Don't everybody rotate.
You stay outside. Ocean, you stay out.
Alright, we should have multiple. We only need 3 people to hold in there.
I feel like we do, dog.
There's two up there, okay?
Friday night.
Val's gonna call strats. They're gonna go slow.
Smoke's inner.
Damn, this guy smokes. 2 smokes in there, dude. God damn. Rambo and Balance.
We enter
They
them.
down?
Hey, bomb back
Pop,
off.
yeah, they're down. Oh my god, dude, he's right there. From bomb, guys. Upper. Nice, you hurt. 10 health, good job. Good job, everybody. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, I'm so happy you guys won that round. Good job, Kerry and John.
One out, maybe 2. He's gonna have to go through the Olaf smoke already.
Yep, they're all over, dude.
That's some Ivy.
Could be sandwich. Nice.
E-box.
One Ivy.
Ivy and E-box. Spawn. CT spawn.
Ladder.
Or T spawn. Ladder and T spawn. I got this.
He's ladder. Wow, what a whip.
I knew it.
I whipped so hard.
Good job, boys. The boys back.
Out upper.
Is bomb there?
Yeah, two inside.
Alright, perfect.
Nice. Bomb planted.
Damn.
What are you flashing? Who just right clicked the flash? Oh!
No, actually, it missed.
The fuck are you doing, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Who right clicks a flash on their feet? Who does that? Even fat fingers shouldn't be able to do that shit, man. God damn it, bro. That literally just got me killed for no reason. Why the fuck would you right click a flash? It wasn't a miss, it was a right click. You did it.
Wasn't.
You right clicked the flash.
No, it didn't. I went off of the back of the pop.
Mid, someone watch it, please.
Ocean, don't fucking help them, you
kinda
fat
watching.
fuck.
I'm kind of watching it a little bit.
Did you say your little hobbit?
John, did
Hobbits
I read
can't
that
talk
right? Did you
shit.
knife him?
Yeah, knife.
Nice, nice.
Watch
Good.
Ivy. What do you do?
One inner or top ladder.
I'm just going there.
Going in there,
Can someone smoke my lower?
yeah. No. I'll op your lure though.
One outside.
I'm blind.
Down lower one. Down lower.
That's what I do. I don't like that spot one bit. Fuck up! Let the boy handle it.
You op your lure,
You
yeah?
can't miss with
No, I don't
me,
have
Ivy.
one, I have
You
a
can't
rifle.
miss with me.
Just jiggle it.
One ladder. He's in ladder, I'm ready.
Throwing smoke.
I want to push up.
One
Sure.
One Seaton.
Fire in the hole.
They can be out ladder. They can be out ladder.
Yeah, one's ladder.
Reloading shot.
Ladder, I fucking. Teton and ladder. Last, I hear him all.
Oh, Booster, come here.
Maybe one Ivy.
I got you.
Teton ladder carry could go out. Could be hell. Sandwich dead. One more hell.
Oh, look at us, John.
John, I think close to you.
Teton.
Almost all off. Good job.
Oh.
Good job, John.
Incendiary out. Grenade out.
One there, Ocean. Dirty cross.
Throwing smoke.
Flashing for you, Ocean.
Incendiary.
Flashing.
Hell, all off.
E-box, I think.
Out mid, left mid, left. E-box.
Sidewalk.
E-box.
Back on top of the train. So get on top.
Where's the E-box, guys? Okay, you can smoke or Ocean can smoke. Hell one.
Laying down smoke. Deploying
There you
flashbang.
go!
That's right.
Fuck.
Throwing flashbang.
One's Teton.
Smoking louder.
Teton out.
Throwing smoke.
One upper inner already, two inner.
Incendiary.
He's native. He got native twice.
He flashed upper right now.
Hell,
He's there,
all
right
off, I think.
They're out upper.
Nice. One was. E-box dead.
Got him.
Well, go Ivy. Don't come LZ.
No, I'm here.
Yeah.
Stay Ivy, stay Ivy.
You're taking my spot.
Incendiary out.
I rotate into your fucking thick
Calm down,
ass.
ladder. Unknown last day. Could be out here somewhere. Could be hell.
I'm on Ivy.
Oh, ladder. God damn it. E-box now. Man.
Yeah, he's
I
out.
wasn't watching it, Ocean. I should have told you. Good mob. Two ops down here.
Deploying flashbang. Fire in the hole.
Flashing.
Let's Teton. I'm still there.
Nothing Ivy.
One more
guys.
Teton. I'm blind.
Mid or...
Incendiary. Throwing grenade. Grenade out.
Ivy, left side, or fucking T-con. Two in T-con. Two offing it now.
I'm pushing.
Yeah, flank.
Oh! He was there back. 85 lit.
Two more lit. No, one more is lit.
T-com.
I'm in Zemo.
Yeah, I think he fell back.
One out of
One's
wall.
I'm zoomed in all off.
Going back in.
Doing her.
Rambo is Ivy. I swear he's gonna do a late lurk up Ivy.
I checked it 3 times, but I'll go all the way back now.
Throwing fire.
That's a good spot anyways,
Throwing flashbang.
One just went E-box.
Yeah. E-box.
That's
Go,
Paul.
go, Joe. Could be close to you though, technically.
Volley me out.
Plenty. One more is
Ladder.
in sight.
On the train.
Where?
And E-box-ish? E-box-ish. Or something. You heard him near the front side. Oh, Mohammed.
Easy for Mo. That was my ace, baby. That was my ace, baby. Ace Morka ass, bro.
Oh, you really did ace. Oh shit.
Good job, man. Good job.
That doesn't get me my fucking Supreme. I don't know what will. Come on, buddy.
I need a rank up
Show
here.
me the money, boys.
Please.
Ooh, what is this? Ooh, purple
No,
rank 7,
I didn't
alright.
even rank up.
What did I get? Hold on.
Rank
Does it not? Does it not rank up for what's happening?
I got ranked up, boys.
I got ranked on the side.
Did it
I'm
tell
a
you
double
that?
AK,
What?
boy.
I didn't get it.
I didn't get one either.
The fuck?
No, I got a Prisma case.
Hell yes. Send it over.
Yeah.